Hey, Logan.
Huh?
Did you boo-boo on yourself? Look at me. Sit up. Sit up. I'm asking you a question. Did you boo-boo on yourself? What's that for?
Hey.
Logan.
Why you wearing a pamper?
Why do you have on a pamper, Logan? You not talking? Okay, go play with Daddy.
Did you poop on yourself? Huh? Did you poop on yourself? Huh? Did you poop on yourself? Huh?
Sit up, Logan. Let me ask you a question. Logan, let me ask you a question. How was your day at school today?
Good.
You had a good day? Did you see Miss Carmen? She was in class. What'd you learn?
This is my number.
Your number?
Yeah, I learned my ABC and the L.
Oh, wow. Did you boo-boo on yourself?
No.
Did you boo-boo on yourself today?
Why you have on pamper?
Yeah.
Huh?
Logan, did you boo-boo on yourself? You got, wait a minute, you got something in your mouth?
Yeah, here.
Some hair, okay. Look at me. Okay, the hair is out. Look at me.
That's it.
Get the hair out. Okay. Hey, did you boo-boo on yourself?
Huh?
Yeah.
You're just admitting to it?
Yeah.
You don't want to make the noise anymore?